Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your translation language on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find language. Click on it, and here as you see you will find translation language. Click on it, and here just select any language you want and click done, and it will be done, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.